Near a village, there was a lush green field where 3 oxen lived. One was black, one was white, and one was brown. They were very good friends and always grazed together. Their friendship and unity were so strong that no wild animal dared to attack them. Near the field was a forest where a hungry lion lived. Every day, the lion watched the 3 oxen from a distance and thought, "If only I could eat one of them. But as long as they stay together, I can't do anything." One day, the lion came up with a clever plan. He slowly walked toward the field and said to the 3 oxen, "Don't be afraid. I don't want to harm you." The 3 oxen immediately became alert and stepped back. But the lion spoke gently, "I am all alone. I have no friends. I just want someone to be my friend." The black ox and the brown ox did not believe him. However, the white ox was very innocent. He felt sorry for the lonely lion. He said, "Maybe the lion really is lonely." From that day on, the lion visited the white ox every day. He spoke kindly, praised him, and slowly earned his trust. Gradually, the white ox began to believe that the lion was his true friend. Whenever the black ox and the brown ox warned him, he replied, "You're wrong. The lion has changed." The lion knew his plan was working. One day, the lion said to the white ox, "Your friends don't respect you. They think you're weak." The white ox asked, "Really?" The lion replied, "If you don't believe me, try staying away from them and see for yourself." The white ox believed the lion and started keeping his distance from his friends. A few days later, the lion said, "There is fresh, sweet grass growing on the other side of the field. Send your black friend there." The white ox trusted the lion and sent the black ox there. As soon as the black ox arrived alone, the lion jumped out from behind the bushes and attacked him. Within moments, he killed and ate him. When the black ox did not return, the brown ox became worried. Then the lion said to the white ox, "Maybe he's still grazing. Send your brown friend to look for him." The white ox did exactly that. The brown ox also went alone, and the lion attacked and killed him as well. Now only the white ox was left in the field. He became very worried. He asked the lion, "Where are my 2 friends? I'm really worried about them." The lion laughed and said, "Now it's time for you to know the truth." The white ox looked at him in shock. The lion said, "I was never your friend. I have been your enemy from the very beginning. I gained your trust, separated you from your friends, and then I killed and ate them." Tears filled the white ox's eyes. He said, "I trusted you. I didn't listen to my real friends." The lion replied, "And that's why you've lost everything." The white ox realized his mistake, but it was far too late. The lion slowly walked toward him and said, "Now it's your turn to become my final feast." With that, the lion attacked the white ox and killed him. In this way, the clever lion made only the white ox his friend, and through deception, destroyed all 3 oxen. Never trust the enemy. No matter how sweet an enemy's words may sound, never trust them blindly. The wrong friend and the wrong decision can cost you everything. Some people pretend to be innocent while secretly destroying your life, and you may not even realize it. Not everyone who speaks kindly is your friend. A true friend is someone who would never wish harm upon you. If you learned something valuable from this story, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a thoughtful comment. Your support helps us continue bringing you more inspiring and meaningful stories.